I got my buy one take one pants and this is so nice. This one is less than 300 pesos. I think 270 plus. Buy one take one. You can choose combination of colors like black and green. So I choose green and mustard. I really love green. I don't know why. Basta love ko yung green. And the mustard is nakaka-lighten kasi itong mustard. That's why. So, check natin yung quality niya. So, ito yung quality niya. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Hindi masyadong makapal, hindi rin masyadong manipis. So, sakto lang. And I think this pants is hindi mainit sa katawan. Kasi ayan o, manipis lang siya. So, hindi siya mainit sa skin. And okay to pang rugged. So, ayan yung haba niya. Diba? Ang ganda. Hindi to mainit sa skin. So, I am a 5 flat and sakto lang sa akin. As in, hindi siya mahaba. Saktong-sakto. Hindi rin siya bitin. Ganda. Ganda pang rugged. Ang ganda. Hindi siya mukhang buy one take one. Napakaganda ng quality nito as in. Ayan, hindi siya mukhang mura. Alam mo na.